To create your own customer site data, first go to Insert in the ribbon and add a new map. When that is done, you now need to add a base map. Use imagery to obtain a satellite view. We will now use Locate to search for the area where we want to create customer site data. In the dialog box that opens, type in your search area. Then zoom in for a clear image of that area. Now we need to create a new feature layer on which to add customer site data. Go to Analysis in the ribbon and click on Tools. Search for Create Feature Class and click on that geoprocessing tool. Under Feature Class Location, select a folder in which to save this new layer. Then, give this new layer a name. We will change the geometry type to point. And provide a coordinate reference system. If you do not know which to use at this point in time, you can select the drop-down menu and select Current Map. You can then change this later. Now, click on Run. With the new layer created, we can now add data to it. Go to Edit in the ribbon and click on Create. In the pane that opens, select the new layer you have just created. Now, you can begin drawing point features to signify your customer sites. Continue until finished. Save your changes. And now you have created your own customer site data.